In this video, I will show you how to reset your Crypto.com passcode. So if you've forgotten your passcode and you cannot currently sign in, then you will see this screen. Now what you want to do is just click Forgot Passcode in the middle of the screen, and from there it will then redirect you. So just gonna click Send on the SMS code, and then it will send a code to your phone number, and you will also need to enter your date of birth. Now after you enter that info, gonna click Continue. And then you will see check your email for a confirmation link. So simply going to open up your email, and you can see I've now gotten a reset your Crypto.com app passcode email. So click login now, and then from there you can set a new passcode. So simply going to enter the passcode you want to use, and from there you have now reset your passcode and it is now confirmed, and you can now use it to sign in. So now you know how to reset your Crypto.com passcode. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.